Welcome to another video. In this video, you will find out how you can sign contracts digitally in HelloSign. If you are having trouble with digital contracts and don't know how to sign them, you can use HelloSign in order to sign it. HelloSign is basically a feature in Dropbox which will help you sign digital contracts. Here's how you can do it. First of all, go onto the Dropbox website and log in with an account. You'll be directed to a page of pricing. But you can do this in your free account. So scroll down and click on try our free plan. Now just sign up with your Google account or your email address and click on agree and sign up. You'll be redirected to the main dashboard of Dropbox. Here you can sign any documents that you want. First of all, upload your document. You can upload it from your computer, any templates from Dropbox, your Google Drive, Box, Evernote, or even OneDrive. Just for an example, I'm gonna put up a random contract. You'll need to add all the signers. You can add the name of the signer and their email address. Or if you're the only signer, you can click on the I'm the only signer option, which is what I'm gonna do. You'll be redirected to the page where you can now sign on the contract. You'll have a lot of the option on the left side. If you want to just sign it, double click where you want to sign. And you'll see that the add your signature tab will pop up. Here you can draw your signature, type it, upload a picture, all you'll have you saved once. Just do your signature here and click on insert. You'll see that your signature has now been added on the document. You can drag it and put it wherever you want. Now just click on next. You'll be able to save or send your signed document. Click on download to download the PDF and send it to whoever you want. And that is how easily you can sign contracts and also send contracts to get signed by using Dropbox HelloSign. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.